In everyone's life, it is inevitable to encounter low tides and hardships, and sometimes even make us doubt our own value and direction. But just as there will be dawn after darkness, we can also find strength and hope from the depths of our hearts. Learning starts with self-love, which can not only help us get out of the haze, but also bring our lives back to glory. The Buddha once said to a lost young man, "The heart is like a mirror. You don't need to ask for the outside, and you can find the real answer." This sentence enlightens us that to love ourselves again is actually to learn to look at ourselves, accept and embrace our own imperfections. Compassion is the instinct in everyone's heart. In pain and confusion, we should learn to love ourselves. This is not only self-forgiving and accepting, but also learning to have compassion for yourself, just like treating your friends, giving gentleness and encouragement. Through such self-love, we can truly find the meaning and value of life again. Self-compassion and acceptance can not only relieve our inner pain, but also make our hearts glow new. Only by learning to be compassionate can you fundamentally solve your inner pain and embrace your new self. Once, the Buddha said to a monk who lost his close relatives and was in pain, "Pain is like a blister fleeting. Only the firm compassion in our hearts can keep us moving forward." This sentence deeply inspired the monk and made him regain the peace and strength of his heart in the process of rediscovering himself. Pain is an inevitable part of life, but how we respond to pain will determine our future. Buddhist wisdom tells us that only by deeply understanding and treating ourselves with compassion can we get rid of our inner shackles. Through this kind of self-love, we can accept the past and face the future at ease. Having compassion can not only heal our past wounds, but also let us learn to forgive ourselves. This compassion will become our inner strength and help us move towards a brighter future. Starting from self-love is a compulsory course that everyone should learn. It is a force that allows us to get out of pain and low tide and embrace light and hope. As the Buddha said, "The heart is like a mirror, and there is no need to ask outside." As long as we learn to be compassionate ourselves, we can find real strength and peace.